Hello students, today we are going to talk about calculation techniques with percentages. Before we go with the technique, first of all let's understand where we use these things. You go to a shop and you see this is 15% discount, 10% discount, like that, right? At that time, can you sit and take out a pen and a pencil and calculate and find out what is the price of this item? No, right? What if I teach you a technique using which you can mentally calculate what is the price of the item after the discount, right? That's where we use percentages in our daily life. Let's go with the percentages calculation techniques now. First of all, before we go to the technique, let us understand that percentages means it's a fraction. Basically, if I say 25%, it is nothing but 25 divided by 100 or 25 by 100. Or you can also call it as a decimal with 0.25. In that way, if I say 1%, that means it is 0.01 or 1 by 100. Okay, with the basis of this knowledge we can do further calculation techniques. Understand that 25% means it's a fraction 25 by 100 or a decimal 0.25. Now 25 by 100, when we do an equivalent fraction, you get it as 1 by 4. That means it is 1/4. It will help you if you remember certain things. Now, for example, if something is full and you take a quarter of it, this is 1 by 4 or this is the 25%. If I take if I take two parts of this, that means it is nothing but 2 by 4 or it is 1 by 2 or it is same as 50%. I hope you understand. 50% means nothing but half of it. 25% means quarter of it, right? When you have these kind of things, very easy. But if I say 30%, 40%, that is when it becomes very difficult, right? So let us understand what is 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. 10 by 100 is nothing by 1/10. Now, this is a technique that I always use when I go to shops. Say, for example, something is 3,400 rupees and he says it is 30% discount. Do you know how I do it? I just take 10% of it. 10% means I just remove this one of the zeros because 10% is 1/10. So, it is 10% of this is nothing but 340. 30% means what? 10% plus 10%, 10 plus 10%. That's the way it is. So, 340 plus 340 plus 340. That is 340 times 3, right? That will give me 1020. So, there is 1020 is the reduction discount. Now, this same technique I can use for anything. For example, instead of 30%, if he says it is 15% discount, right? If he says 15% discount, what is a 15% discount? 15% is nothing but 10% plus 5%. 10% of this means just I have to remove the last zero, right? It becomes 340. Then 5% means what? Does half of the 10%. So half of this is 170. If I add these two, I will get the 15% discount. That means for this 3,400, 15% is 510. Did you see? Just by knowing what is the 10%, I can figure out all the other things. Even if we don't have a number like 3,400, let's say the number was 378. What is the 10% of this? Basically, a decimal point will come before the 8. 10% will make it 37.8. 5% means this is half of 10%. So, half of this I will add it. Half of this will be what? 18.9. So if I add these two things, I will easily get what is the 15% of 37 378, right? I hope this helps you in a certain way to calculate any percentage quickly. If you're not very clear about what is happening, please watch this video once again. When you watch this video once again, I'm sure you will get it. Okay, I hope this will help you to do calculations with percentages faster, right? Before we go for learning a technique, you should understand the basic concept of it. Percentage is nothing but a fraction or a decimal. Okay, you cannot treat a percentage as a number. You cannot say 25% plus 15% is same as 40%. That's not true. 25% plus 15% of something, you cannot add it just like that or subtract it just like that. You have to treat it as a fraction. You have to remember that one concept very well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get to know many more things about mathematics and make math a very fun thing for your life and become independent math learners. Thank you for watching. This is Kala here, the Thinking Catalyst. Bye bye. See you.